July is a time for patriotic celebrations, vacations, and fun. In today's video, I will make a quick summary of dates, holidays, and niches in July to boost your Amazon KDP low content book sales. So, stick around. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I talk about how to make money online by self-publishing no content and low content books on Amazon and create passive income from scratch. If this sounds something that you might be interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. A quarter refers to 1/4 of a year, and July is the first month of quarter 3. Also, July 1st marks second half of the year day, and this makes it a perfect day to step back, evaluate the first 6 months, and check your objectives and goals. Furthermore, as it is summer in the northern hemisphere, like in June, people enjoy outdoor activities, traveling, and sightseeing in July too. So if you create low content books related to outdoor activities or traveling, you may have more chances to sell them during July. Let's check an example together. I already showed you Google search results of some popular outdoor activities like fishing and camping in my previous video about the KDP niches in June. Today, we can check the search term hiking. As you see, the searches for hiking reached a peak point around early July. So we can expect an increase in demand for hiking related low content books like hiking logbooks and hiking notebooks during this time. However, if you check on Amazon, there are some books with lots of reviews for this search term. And also there is a competition with ads. Frankly speaking, it can be hard to rank your product on the first page for this search term, and your advertisement costs can be high. Therefore, I would prefer to niche down it. For example, hiking logbooks for men or hiking logbooks for kids. If you check some other summer outdoor activities on Google Trends, it shouldn't be so difficult to find some profitable niches for July. As I said in my previous video, you should target holidays and events throughout the year to increase your royalties in the related months. Even though there are not too many important dates for e-commerce in July, if you manage to rank your product for one of them that I will tell you soon, this can compensate for the sales for a whole month. Let's check it in detail. Independence Day, also called 4th of July or July 4th in the United States, is the annual celebration of nationhood. It commemorates the passage of the Declaration of Independence by the Continental Congress on July 4, 1776. The 4th of July is an important holiday and one of the biggest summer events. According to a survey conducted in 2021, most American respondents stated that they were planning to celebrate the 4th of July with a cookout, a barbecue, or a picnic. And some partake in community celebrations and enjoy the fireworks that are often launched when the night falls. Generally, people buy patriotic merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and hats with the flag of America for the 4th of July celebrations and family gatherings. When it comes to low content books, if you offer products with US themed patriotic designs, you can take the attention of the customers who want to show their patriotism, like these ones. I will put the Creative Fabrica link of my store below, so if you are interested, you can download these American flag designs from there at a reasonable price. As most Americans enjoy grills in their backyards, another idea can be barbecue-related journals. If you check the search trends for barbecue in Google search trends, you can easily see that the peak point is on the 4th of July. And the pro of this niche is that the demand doesn't fluctuate too much. Therefore, if you manage to sell some related books around July, you can continue to sell them throughout the year. Furthermore, the 4th of July is the most popular summer holiday weekend for travel this year. According to surveys, almost half of US citizens are planning to go somewhere. So, I believe the demand for travel-related products will be very high. And this is a great opportunity for travel-related low-content books too. According to surveys, around 75% of Americans who are planning to take a trip plan to travel by car this 4th of July. These percentages may drop due to constantly rising gas prices. However, if we check the last year's searches for road trip in Google Trends for benchmark, it shows the same. As you see on Google search trends for this search term, people frequently searched road trip in July. So we can assume that the demand for low content books like travel journals and travel planners may increase around July. Again, if you think the competition is high for these products, always try to niche down it. For example, road trip travel journal for kids. Also, there is no doubt about that the demand for the children's activity books related to travel will be very high during July, because parents need some road trip activities to keep the kids busy. Do not forget that you can always make money by solving people's problems. For example, think about the road trip games that will keep the kids entertained on the drive. Preparing a low content book about it sounds like a good idea for me. Other important dates in July are World Chocolate Day on July 7th, National Ice Cream Day on July 18th, and National Moon Day on July 20th. So you can create some low content book covers for chocolate lovers, ice cream lovers, or science enthusiasts around these dates. However, do not expect too much traffic compared to the 4th of July for these niches. As I told you, there are not too many important dates for e-commerce in July except the Independence Day. Therefore, it's a great time to start generating back-to-school marketing ideas. I will make a video about it later. I hope this video was worth watching and it will help you increase your Amazon KDP royalties in July. If you think so, make sure to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. I will continue to create content about monthly niche ideas for low content books. See you soon in the next video.